the Prime Hybrid Shoulder Press. We have the Smart Cam on this one as well. If we want to make this heavy in the stretch position or at the bottom, we'd put that on 3. If we want it heavy in the middle, on the 1, and if we want it heavy more towards the top or in the contractile position, we'll put that on a 2. As far as adjustments, just the seat height, up and down. If you're someone taller, you might want that a little bit lower. Someone shorter, you might want it a little bit higher. But the main thing is setting it to a point to where you can get enough range of motion at the bottom and the weights don't bottom out. So once you have that set, your weight set, you can climb in. We have 2 handles to press from, okay? So we have this more narrow or inner grip, or we can go wider in this outer grip. So the thing with pressing is if we get down to the bottom of our press, we want to make sure we're not starting to tip the shoulder. So this is one reason why we like to shift our hips forward in this machine. All right, we can even put a little pad back behind, but in this position, we're not worried about this tipping now. So we can sit up in the machine. If we use narrow grip, which is great for someone with a smaller frame, we can press up through and bring our biceps towards our eyes or ears. Okay, come back down, stretch, drive up. If we were to choose this outer one, we would come out here. All right, so with this outer grip, we're not going to get as much of a stretch on the front delt because with our arms coming forward, we can drop down just a little bit and get a little bit more stretch. But coming out wide, we're not going to be able to do that. So just know the limitations within that, but same thing applies here. Press up, drive those biceps towards our eyes or ears, okay? Back down, drive up. Okay. So the main thing to focus on here, again, is having the hips slightly forward just a little bit. It's going to put you in a better position to press. Now, as I mentioned, the 2 different grips, ultimately it's going to come down to what feels the most comfortable for you and your shoulder. Some people might have shoulder issues that will not allow them to come out here, or someone might not be able to externally rotate as much. So using this grip is totally fine. Just know that whatever is best for your shoulder and you, what feels most comfortable, that's going to be the important thing. But as we press through, all right, just focus on trying to drive biceps somewhere between your eyes and ears, all right, for the front delts.